Hi and welcome. Today we are going to explore the phrasal verbs with the word give. Phrasal verbs are words with a verb and a preposition, and together they give a new meaning. The phrasal verbs, definitions and the usage is listed. Let us explore. Give, and after that some object is placed and then the word away. So maybe give it away, give away. To give something for free, it means to reveal a secret also, that usually accidentally. The coffee shop is giving away free coffee all morning. Let's go. I could tell that Jane was lying to me. The look on her face gave it away. Don't tell Bill that we are throwing him a surprise party today. I don't want to give it away. The next phrasal verb with the word give is give in. It means to finally agree to something that you did not agree or you want to do earlier. My son begged me for months to buy a new video game. I couldn't take it anymore and finally gave in. That means agreed and bought it for him. The baseball player was holding out for more money, but he finally gave in. Gave in over here means submitted, when he realized that no one would meet his demands. Give up. Give up means to lose hope and to submit. After persistent failure, he gave up and submitted to the circumstances. Give it up for. It means to cheer, applaud for someone, usually before or after a performance. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Rolling Stones. Give out. It means to stop working because of old age or long-term usage. Give it out. To produce light, heat, energy, odor, etc. Give off. It also means to have experienced some kind of pain. My back gave out when I was helping my friend move his sofa. So I'm out to work for a few days. That means the person is in pain. The computer gives off heat, so you should shut it down if you are going to be gone for a long period of time. I had that printer for 10 years and it finally gave out last week when I tried to print a 200-page novel. The new light bulbs give out brighter light for a longer period of time, and they cost less than the less efficient light bulbs. Now let us look at the exercise. I will take you through the exercise slowly. The students may pause, work on the exercise, and then explore and self-assess. The answers are given right at the end of the exercise. The students may self-assess and check their answers. Thank you.